Started.
Ready? Are you ready,
So.
Celia?
You want to film with Allison, or you want?
You can film if
Okay.
you want. She's your baby. Ready? These are bananas.
It's fogging up again.
Yeah, look. That's for you.
Hey.
First Stacey's not a good one. You don't like it so much? You want some more? She's not so sure she likes this.
Here you go.
No, she is. Good job.
She wants it. She's looking
Try
at
to
it.
figure out how to get it into your mouth.
And keep it there, honey.
Okay. That's okay. Try it again.
I'm using every break to polish the lens. Oh.
Ooh. She likes it. She's licking it. She's looking at it.
I think it'd be easier with a spoon.
I'm thinking, Allison, we want to go grab one of those ones.
What do you
Look at
think?
her smacking her chops.
Yeah, we're eating.
Is that good, honey?
Do you like
bunny?
it? Num num num. Grab a spoon. Let's try a spoon. Mommy's hands might not be the easiest. That's why they invented spoons.
Keep your tongue in there and
Yeah.
Just trying to lick it up.
Mm.
What do you
Mm.
think?
she doesn't need to lick it up.
Bless you. What do you think? She's not.
Figure out how to do it. She's used to a bottle.
She keeps going at. No, it's alright if her hands.
Oh.
Good girl.
This is where it goes.
I think we have a fan.
Oh, good girl. Yummy.
She likes bananas.
Yummy. Let's get some more on this spoon.
Hey, why is this?
Ready? She makes this face. She's gonna spit it out, but yet she's gone back for more. Yuck. Are you done?
I want to do it myself, Mommy.
Oh, that's so cute.
That was a good one.
And most of it stayed in.
Yeah.
Good girl.
you're so
Likes
good.
that.
Hi.
Do you want more? Are we all done? That wasn't much. Oh, she's trying. She wants to help do it.
A little sleepy.
Ready? No?
I thought you said there was no more water.
It was frozen, son. Oh, nice.